At least once in your life, you have certainly heard someone saying they would like to lessen or lighten spots on their face. It is a fact that most women have spots on their faces and skin at some point in their lives. It usually happens during pregnancy or when taking birth control pills, when the melasma spots get darker and more pronounced. But if you think that only women suffer from this issue, you are mistaken. Many men also have melasma on their faces, neck, and arms. Luckily, some homemade treatments can lessen this aesthetic issue. See in today's video a recipe with only 3 ingredients to lessen the spots on your skin. To make this recipe, you will need baby oil, eggs, and baking soda. Baby oil is an excellent moisturizer. It will make your skin smooth and nourished. Besides that, it also prevents cracks in the skin, especially on the heels or elbows. Egg whites are rich in antioxidants and minerals, acting as a facial lift. It helps reduce oiliness and also makes the skin firmer. Baking soda will deep cleanse your skin, removing dead skin cells and lightening the spots. Now that you know the function of each ingredient, write down the recipe. 1 coffee spoon Johnson's baby oil, 1 tablespoon egg white, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Making it is very straightforward. Combine all 3 ingredients in a glass or plastic bottle and mix well. After that, apply the mixture over your skin, spreading it well. Massage gently, as if doing a light exfoliation, and let it act for an hour. Rinse with warm water and apply sunscreen. Do this exfoliation twice a week until you reach the desired results. You can apply this solution on your armpits, groin, and any other parts of your body where you have spots you want to lighten. But before applying it, do a patch test. Apply a small amount of the mixture on your forearm and wait for 24 hours. If it doesn't show any signs of irritation, you can use it safely. If the spots remain, talk to a dermatologist. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.